Tayo sa Acom, agad shower. Alis naman tayo mamayang gabi. So, okay. Arat.
Asadong.
Langilaw. Quick review of the place. So it's clean. So you have your essentials. May TV, may table there, chinelas, closet. Ito yung importante. Towels, toiletries, pedestal, and of course a bed. I mean, ang downfall lang is nandito ako sa 4th floor, which is a lot of stairs, pero yun your reps, no? Sige, pahinga naman na konti, tapos shower, tapos alright, a few hours later, right now it's 7:47, 7:45, and I believe this is hour 13. So, sige. This part of the vlog, ang hindi ko nagawa nun dati sa Davao, dito sa city, no? Punta tayo ng Rojas Night Market. Ang gagawin ko na lang, malabok ko grab dahil kasi ayokong pagpawisan wearing clean clothes. Bukod tayo ng grab, nakita ko nasa may 113 lang naman eh, so affordable. Sige. So far, tinignan ko lahat ng mga expenses ko. Ang pinakamalaki ko na gastos thus far is yung pagkain sa sa bangkerohan. Dahil kasi di ba bumili kasi ako nun ng konting pasalubong na. Nisip ko, ngayon ako gagastos ng konti. Tapos kung magdagdag, edi dun sa sa SM, I guess, or pwede naman din ako bumalik ng bangkirohan. Okay, bumalik ako dito dahil apparently hindi pala pwede magdala ng bag sa Rojas Night Market. So, puti na malapit yung accommodation ko eh. And right now it's already hour 12. Kaya pa naman lumabas. So, I just have to be here by 10. Sige, one more time. Let's go. Pangalawang hulog ko na naman ng camera. Itong GoPro. Sucks. Pero gulat ako ha. Magana pa rin siya. Sturdy as hell. Lakad muna tayo. I'm gonna be using this at saka yung iPhone kasi kumuha ng vlog. Sana nga naman din tayo parahin. I mean, wala na rin naman akong dalang vlog eh. Wala na akong dalang camera eh. So, main camera, iwan natin. Charge lang natin siya siguro. And sige, para makabalik agad. Okay, so siya? May food stall tapos Changi. Interesting. Sige, ikot tayo tapos balik. Sige, dahil kumuha tayo ng ice cream, hanap pa na tayo ng papwestuhan. At kailangan kong maubos to. Pork it's sticky. Nalulusaw eh, kailangan natin ubusin. So, dragon fruit at saka chili times 3. So, okay, I'll be a judge of that. Chili. Oh, I like that sensation. Init niya para sa akin yung spice level. Siguro nasa may around 3. 3 out of 10. Tapos, ito yung manghang na, alam mo yung Makate, parang ganun. Tapos, tingnan natin kung dragon fruit na. Interesting flavor. Dragon fruit is dragon fruit, so look at that, pulang-pula eh. Alam mo yung chili, it's an okay combo. That was good. Apparently, pastil pala ito. Solid. Kuha nga tayo, tapos pagkakuha, lagyan na natin sa lamesa. Sige, while waiting para dun sa, sa in-order natin na food, sample naman natin yung items na binili. So, multitasking, 2 cameras, all that. Sige. Ako na bahal sa edit. Oh. Copy them. So, it actually has durian fillings a little bit. Grabe. Ay, nga lang dahil kasi sa Pucci. Okay. Ito ay had this kanina. Oh, matcha filling. Strong matcha. Kaya yun yung... It's a bit more on the sweeter end. But so far it's pretty good. Dito na tayo dito sa... Ito, dinamita. Dinamita na hindi ako kumuha ng sauce. Doon ako nagkamali. I mean, dinamita. Chili pepper or green pepper with cheese, fried. Okay, sana ito with ano ketchup mayo. That would have been nice. Alright, food's here. Right, food is here. Nice, thank you. Clementine. Clementine na may chili. Siyempre. Cute nung sili nila sobrang liit It's good for a little bit of heat. Literal na a little. Ay. Kumain yan Fresh. Doon yung pagkakaluto sa kanya Init Of course, salted fish. Usok pa. Palamigin muna natin ng konti before we thoroughly enjoy this. Punta tayo dun sa Punta tayo sa assorted meats. Tayo natin si chicken. Soft. Super soft. Nagla. Mom na kanin. Grabe.
Hi, mag-picture na.
Ang daming mga alaman na nandito sa Davao. Na-discover ako. Oh my God. Palalo yan. Yes, sir. Tawa ko. Mga ganong... I mean, it's funny. It's funny. I appreciate it. Tatawa lang ako. So, if ever nakita nyo ito guys, I appreciate yung pag-discover nyo sa akin. Never fails to put a smile on my face. Kaya, ano naman tayo? Meats. Dito tayo sa chicken. With some sauce. Sweet sauce. Sweet sauce sa samahan mo ng kanin. Such a satisfying bite. Diba? Right, let's get today's out. It's been a while since I had these out. It has been a while, so wala. I think the panalo was more for nostalgia's sake, pero still considering, well cooked, maganda yung sauce, maganda yung pagkakaterno. That was good. Oh siya, that said mga kalaman, buti ka naman ito. So far, pretty solid first impression of the restaurant market. Okay, that was a pretty solid meal. So, sige. Punta na tayo ng ano. Actually, naisip ko kung alis. I could probably leave. Balik na ako bukas. Yeah. Kailangan ko na magpahinga. Kailangan natin magsimula for tomorrow. Pangilan na ba ngayon? Hour 20, hour 16 nata. And as of right now, I'm really pooped kasi nag-climb pa ako ng 4 flights of stairs. And let's just say na so far today has been great. Nakaikot. Did most of the food crawl na I could do with such limited time. Lalo na kasi dahil tomorrow I'm going to be focusing on the challenge. Tapos going to do a couple of stuff. It's a matter of question pa kung makakadaan ako ng pa-plaza, going to the Davao Church. You know, just to fully complete yung experience. Dahil kasi I'm going full circle. Pabalik ako dito sa Davao. You know, going back to the first place I shot a vlog. So, which transitions to the message na parang it amazes me na dahil kasi ever since I started doing this form of content or this form of expressing myself, articulating my thoughts, nagsimula muna ako dito sa Davao dahil kasi I wanted to document the trip, to turn into something na I guess has a bigger message, a bigger impact to everyone. So kung ano man yung impact na nakukuha nyo, kung ano man yung meaning na nakukuha nyo dito sa mga content, I take it or I take it as your own, or kung ano man na experience nyo, it's yours. So as long as sobrang committed pa rin ako, still driven to do the best video I can every time, there will be more. Yun ang may papangako ko. Pahinga naman ako saglit, tapos that's going to be it for day 1 siguro. So balikan nyo na lang ako probably tomorrow before we get to the challenge. So we're gonna go to SM Lanang. I'm coming in prepared. So hindi ko nga din alam kung paano ko dadalhin yung tripod dahil kasi maging mabigat Anyways, sige. So for you, para sa inyo mga kalaman, pero ako I'm still gonna work. Good night and I'll see you tomorrow.